Hi, my name is Pavel. I'm going to show you our new career plugin. So let's start on this website. It's an ice cream factory website, and then we just going to add the plugin here. As you can see, we already got the theme of the website into our plugin, which is a big advantage. So all the colors and typography, it all matches whatever the hosting website is using. But it's built on blocks, so we can change anything we like. So we can change sizing, we can change styling, we can change texts and buttons here. So let's say we don't like the process word, so we can use something else here, and we can change the icon too. So that's a very neat feature. So that of course can be used to kind of fit our brand, as well as to translate whatever text we have to different language maybe. Yeah. And we can not only change stuff, we can also delete, like we can delete this image of the job, or we can add stuff if we like. Now this plugin comes with two widgets. One was the apply page that gets automatically inserted when we install the plugin, and then there's another part which is the job listings. Then it's totally up to you where you place that. Some people place it on the main side, but you could also create a separate career page site where you add those things. And the same as before, this is built on blocks, so it gets all the colors, but you can adjust whatever you don't like. So let's hide the icon, for example, here. Now this plugin comes with two design presets that we can change. One is called minimal, which is basically just the title of the job and an arrow button, and the other one is the full that we saw before. And the whole idea is to get the visitors to click the apply button so that they can apply. But now let's go to the back end where we can manage the jobs. So here we can manage the jobs. So we can archive the ones that are not relevant anymore, so we don't need from the engineer, for example, anymore. And we can of course add a new job. We can start with title. So let's do flavor artist for our new ice cream. We can add tags, which are a very nice way to highlight some key features about the position that we're hiring for. And then we could do image, but let's skip that for now, and then let's go to description. Here is the first kind of smart feature of our plugin, where we can just put some notes here and ask it to generate full-blown description. And it's going to use whatever's the description currently, as well as tags and the name of the position, and then we get some sort of nice description. And we can of course clean that up. And this is kind of approach we have with AI. We're using it as a tool to create drafts or like a first pass on things, but then user will decide. So now this is on the live side. We have our job listing here, and then now we're trying to apply for this position. So as an applicant, I'm just gonna put my CV in there, which is in PDF format, and then there's another AI feature where we kind of parse the CV to get the data out, so they don't need to fill it twice, kind of. Yeah, and then when that's all they need to do, the candidate. And on our backend, we can have a look at the candidates right now, where we have all the lists and some basic information that they put in. But we also have a score, which is AI comparison of their CV versus the job description, and some motivation of why the score is what it is. So we can see that Pavel Schoffer, the software engineer, is just not very good fit for the flavor artist that we're hiring for. We can of course get the CV of the user and decide, and then we can archive the ones that are not really relevant. That's pretty much for the flow, but let's have a look on the developer side. We have a few APIs we can build on top of the plugin. So there are a few functions and events you can hook into it. There's, I guess, check the documentation for details, but this is one example we can. It's kind of easy to set up, where you can get the current jobs and show them in this kind of nice banner here. Great, so that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye.